Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to save multiple score using SharedObject in ActionScript 3. One of the YouTube user named Victor Dora Bailey commented on one of my videos called how to save data using SharedObject in ActionScript 3. I don't see any comments here because he may have deleted the comment, but I found it on my Outlook. Here says, nice video, do you know how I can save multiple scores? I have a game with many stages and would like to save different scores for each level like an Angry Bird. And then I found this guy here. I don't know why did he delete his comment, but I think he may shy. However, I would like to create a tutorial as he required, and I think it would help other users too. And one more thing, he didn't even subscribe me. However, forget him. Let's start our project. I'm using Animate CC. You can use Adobe Flash, but the most important thing, you must select ActionScript 3. So I'm gonna select ActionScript 3. It's taking time because I think Hypercam is making it slower. Okay, now I would like to change the stage dimension to 600 and 400, and the frame rate 35. You can either change the frame rate or not, it's up to you. Okay, now first I'd like to create 3 buttons for 3 levels of a game. This is not a game actually, but the concept is about a game. You can use this concept to make to save score for multiple levels of a game. Okay, so just go component, straightforward component, and drag one button on the stage and copy this one, paste it again, and I have 3 buttons on the stage, and I would like to change the button instant name to for button 1. I would like to change it to level 1 BTN, and for this button level 2 BTN, and for this one level 3 BTN, and I would like to change its level to level, not level sorry, level 2 to show up. This one is for level 1 button, but first I have to take another layer and rename this layer, name it action. You can name it anything you'd like to, and this is to change it to content. Okay, and go to the action layer of the first frame of the action layer, and then go Windows, action, and just type stop, and then to change the first button's level, just type the instant name of this button and dot level equal to level 1, sorry, semicolon. Okay, and copy this and paste it twice, and for level 2 button, level 2 string, and for level 3 button, level 3 3. Now I can if I play, it will show. I forgot to save it. Okay, anyway, but first I have to save this project. File, save. I would like to save it on desktop. I would like to create a new folder called save multi-score, and double click and go to that folder and save the FLA with the same name. You can name anything you'd like to. Okay, it's saving. Okay, if I test it now, I can see the buttons label have changed into level 1, level 2 and level 3 test. Sorry. Okay, level 1, level 2 and level 3, and I would like to make that when I click this level 1 and level 2 and level 3, and it will allow me to play level 1, level 2 and level 3 for each buttons. Okay, so go back to action and then type 3 boolean variables. Okay, var play 1 boolean false, and then 2 colon boolean false, and then 3 boolean false. And now I'd like to create and click event listener for each of the buttons. Okay, so add event listener dot click and start labels, the function name. Now create the function start labels event, and I would like to use switch statement, so just type switch event dot target, and for each buttons just type case break and copy this case again, paste twice below. Okay, and in case of level 1 button and in case of level 2 button and in case of level 3 button, saving. Okay, and what I want in case of level 1 button. Okay, in case of level 1 button, I would like to change this boolean variable to true, and this one true, and play level 3 true, save it. And I would like to trace this boolean so that I can see it's working. Trace this boolean, copy this, paste it for level 2 button and trace this boolean, and sorry, and this one as well. If I save it now, if I test it, control test, showing an error before left brace, switch even dot target case level 1 switch is WITCH. Sorry, save it, test it. Okay, when I click level 1 button, it says true, level 2 and level 3 for true. That means it's working fine. It's making level 1 true for level 1 button, and level 2 level 2 play level 2 true to level 2, and for 3 to 3. Okay, and one more thing I'd like to, when I click the level 1 button, I'd like to go to next frame for each of the button. Okay, so just insert another blank keyframe, insert another blank keyframe for action layer, and go to Windows, select the second frame of the action layer, go to Windows, action, just type stop, parenthesis, semicolon, save it, and let's test it first. Okay, control test. When I click level 1, sorry, it's not working because I have not give the command here too. Okay, now when I click level 1 button, I just like to play. That means it will take me the next frame. Copy that play, paste for the rest 2 buttons. Okay, now save it. If I test it now, play, it's true and it is going the next frame, and for the level 2 button exactly the same, and for level 3 button exactly the same. Okay, so I'd like to show you different level. It should be visible that I am playing different levels, so that I'd like to draw a rectangle for the background of my project, 600, and change the width of my background 600 to exactly the same of my stage dimension 400. Get rid of outline. Sorry, I paste it on the action layer, paste it below action layer, and change the position and change the color to not black. I would like to have green. Then convert it to a symbol, name it BG, that means background. Okay, also give an instant name of BG, and then double click and go inside that BG, insert a keyframe, change the background into blue, and insert another keyframe and change the background into red. I think it's okay, and insert another layer inside that BG and rename the layer, name skip or action, and go to action panel, type stop, and go back to and copy that frame and paste into the next frame and paste next frame. That means I have a background on the second frame named BG, and inside that BG I have 3 different layers with different color. Okay, save that project, and here when I click, when the play level 1 button, play level 1 boolean is true, and here on the second frame I'd like to get an event listener to show up that label is changing. So add event listener, sorry, I made spelling mistake, event listener, add event listener event, and it will be enter frame event, and the function name would be update. Type the function update event. So here I want, when I play, when this play level 1 boolean is true, so when this play level 1 boolean is true, that if play level 1, that means if play level 1 equal to true, it's exactly the same if you don't type anything here. Okay, if play level 1, I want this bg to change, so bg dot go to and stop 1, and copy this, paste it twice below, and play level 2, when play level 2 is true, and it will be bg2 and 3 bg3. Okay, if I save it now and if I test it, so level 1 it shows bg1, is showing this bg.go-to-stop1, and for level 2 it's showing blue because bg.go-to and stop 2, and for level 3 showing red. That means this boolean is working fine. Okay, now I'd like to draw some element on this stage. First lock the background layer, insert another layer, and draw something here. Okay, but I need this button too, this button, and paste it here, paste once more. Okay, and give these two buttons an instant name too. But for this button the instant name will be here it's showing level 1 button because I have copied that button, so I would like to change this into increase button. And for this, decrease button. And I would also like to change the level of this button. Increase button, go back to okay, increase button dot level equal to increase, and for decrease button I like level to be decrease. Okay, and I'd like to create 3 variables for this play level 1, play level 2 and play level 3, and for these 3 levels. Okay, so var score 1 colon integer equal to 0 and 2, sorry, wo is equal to 0 and for is equal to 0. Okay, now I would like to create click event listener for these 2 buttons. Okay, here I could copy that previous event listener, copy this and go back to next frame and paste it here and change the button name to level 1 button to play increase button, and level 2 button to change decrease button, and 3 case is not necessary here, 3rd case is not necessary here, sorry, and I'd like to delete everything meanwhile, and then change the function name to increase or decrease, and copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now it is done. If I test it now, I click on no, so it is done. When I click increase and decrease button, I'd like to increase scores for level 1, level 2 and level 3, but I have to create a custom function for that, so that I don't type the same statement over and over again. Okay, so just type a custom function comment of increasing. So just type function increasing void, and I want when play level 1, just type if copy the same thing, copy and paste it for this custom function. When play level 1, I'd like to score 1 increase, and for play level 2 score 2 to increase, and for level 3 score 3 to increase. Okay, and I'd like to make a trace statement to show you that. So if I trace, not here, I could trace it on interframe unity listener, trace 1, trace 2, trace 3. If I test it now, if I test it, and when I click, let's play level 1, when I click level 1, it's going level 1, and when I click increase, I think it is increasing, but I have typed it on interframe listener, so it is running. Just cut that, go on, and paste it here. But one more thing I have forgot, I haven't execute this function when I click. Okay, just copy increasing and paste when I click increase button, and here on decrease button semicolon. Sorry, it will not for decrease button. Okay, save it and test it. Okay, play level 1 increase, it's increasing, and for level 2 it is also increasing, and for level 3 it is also increasing, and it is increasing its own scores. Okay, and now I'd like to decrease when I click this decrease button. Okay, copy this custom function, paste it and change the comment of decreasing, and change to minus, and this minus. Okay, if I test it now, semicolon. Why did I forget to have semicolon? Okay, 3 minus. Save it. Another. Sorry, I didn't change the function name. Decreasing, and also have to execute it when I click decrease button. Okay, I think it's okay now. Okay, increasing and it's decreasing. Okay, now I'd like to make this variable shows up on a text field. So just drag a text, drag and draw text field. Okay, and give the instant name of underscore txt, output underscore txt, and font 15 is okay, and I need outline like this, and copy this output underscore txt.text, and when I click when play level 1 is true, output underscore txt.text equal to score 1. Okay, and when play level 2 score 2, output underscore txt.text will be score 0, and here when level 3 and if I test it now I think it will show an error. Okay, because it says font should be embedded for any text. Okay, this is a minor problem, not major. Just select the text field and embed the font, and select all the cases. If you want to rename it, you can rename this font to type in PROJCT font. Okay, and click OK. I think it is done. Save the project and test it again. String, another error, because it says implicit correction of a value of type integer to type of string, because this text field only carries string value, not integer. So just type double quote and plus, here the same, make the integer into string, by typing this. Save it, test it now. Play level 1, it is increasing, and level 2, it is increasing and also decreasing. Okay, that means it's working, but I need the font a little bit bigger and would like to change the color too. Okay, just click and type the font 20 and change the color to black and to bold. Okay, now if I test it, font should be embedded because the font has been changed. Okay, go to project font, all project font, family, bold. Okay, oh damn it, delete this font and 2025. Okay, and embed it once again, and okay, I think it's okay now. Play level on. Yeah, the font is okay now, I think. Okay, now everything is done, but the main tricks, and the main tricks is to save these three score into SharedObject, into a SharedObject. Okay, so just make a variable called var so colon SharedObject equal to dot dot get local and type dot sl file name, type multi data, and if I type so dot flash, it is all done, and trace so dot flash. Okay, if I level 1 and it is flushed, and now I want this variable to hold to go to save into the flash, so dot data dot SharedObject. Okay, so just make 3 variable of this so by typing so dot score 1 high, sorry, so dot I have to type so dot data dot score 1 high, and copy this, paste it below twice, and so dot data is score 2 high. You can type anything you'd like to. Score 3 high. And when I click increase button, I would like to have so.data.high, when I click increase button, I'd like to have so.data.high equal score 1, and for this is for level 1, and for level 2 and so.data.score 3 high for level 3 to 3. I think it should work. Level 1 flash increasing, and if I start it all over again, flashed, but it is not showing me. Okay. Trace this high, trace this one too, so that I can see that it is actually saving my data. Save it. Okay, level 1, and I think it is working, because let's increase it into 12. Okay, now if I close and if I restart it, and if I play level 1, it should show me the 13. Okay, that means it is working, it is saving the score. Okay, so I'd like to have a text field here, show me the saved score. So just copy this one, paste, it here, change the size to 20, and take another text field, and this time not dynamic, it is static. Sorry, take another text, draw, and this time it is statics, and just type here score, change the text size to 15. Okay, I think it is okay. Change the color to white. Okay, and I want this score, sorry, I want this so.data.1 high score, so.data.2 high score, so.3 high score into this text field. But first I have to change the instant name, because I have copied this previous one. Change the instant name of high score underscore txt, and I want this high score unrestricted of text to carry high score unrestricted of text to carry when play level 1 is true, to carry this one. And for level 2, this one. And for level 3, sorry, I have copied full thing, sorry. It may show an error because it also may show that font that it doesn't carry integer, so just copy this, paste it here, and paste it here too. Equal, similar to, okay. If I test it now, level 1, it's showing me the previous high score 13, and for level 2 it is undefined. Now it will be defined. Okay, 12 for level 2, 12, and for level 3 it is also undefined. Just increase it, 11. Okay, if I test it again now, for level 1, 13, high score 13, it's saved, and for level 2 it should be 12, level 2, 12, and for level 3, 11. Okay, that means it is working fine. I think you have learned something, but this tutorial is very time consuming, and every time when I start this I have to close that project, but I'd like to have a button and go back to previous frame. So just copy, real quick copy, paste the button, and name this button to back button, and when I click back button, the function is here. Just type case back button. When I click back button, I'd like to go back to stop 1. If I test it now, I think it may show me an error. Okay, increasing, and I forgot to change the level. Okay, when I click back, it's not doing any problem, but yes, it's showing an error. First change the level, back button, but here is the level. it showed me the error because when I click back button, it is going and it is going back to one frame, and this event listener is still processing, and that's why it showed me the error. So just copy this event listener, and when you click back button, just paste this and remove the event listener. Remove the event listener. If I test it now, play level 1, increase back level 2, increase back level 3, increase. It is working fine. Okay, back level 1, the previous score, back level 2, the previous score, back level 3, the previous score. So it's very time consuming. So I think this is not a game, but this tutorial has given you an idea of creating a game with multiple levels. Okay, and I think you have learned something, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.